Hey, so AI's happening with all of this MCP server stuff, and I've had the benefit to sort of reconnect with some old friends and get back into the WordPress ecosystem, and it's been more than a decade. A lot has changed, there's a lot there. So I've been putting together some quick demo after a meeting that people are using a very popular product called Gravity Forms. And it's a plugin for WordPress that lets you create all kinds of contact forms and data ingestion and things like that. But it gets complex because there's still a lot of drag and drop, and you still have to add a bunch of stuff. So I went looking at Gravity Forms. They have a REST API, and what I've been able to do is stitch together an MCP server with Claude that can talk to the REST API through a piece of middleware. So what I wanted to show today is that we can, using Claude or an MCP server, I can generate forms on the back end. So what I wanted to show you is, this is my Gravity Forms. This is a generic WordPress install, and you get these forms already there. Default, I'm not going to use those. We're going to create a new one, but we'll do it all from Claude. So it's like, hey, let's use Gravity Forms to create, I can't spell, a new one. Let's call it demo 1 and give it 3 fields. Let's collect the name. Let's get their address, and let's take a photo, which can be a JPEG, PNG, and the new WebP format. Great. So what it does now is it's going to try to understand what it's looking for, and you can see that it replies, I'll help you create a new Gravity form called Demo 1 with the 3 fields you specified. Let me create this for you. So what's happening now is, in the background, it's using the MCP server to go ping the Gravity forms in that server, and you can see it's already come back. Here's the cool part. So we come back to the Gravity forms. Let's hit refresh. We see that there's now Demo 1. Let's go ahead and preview Demo 1. Boom, there it is. We have a name, and it actually broke out the address across all of these different fields of an address, and then a photo, which is required. So, and that took no time at all. I mean, like, it feels like magic, partly because it is. And once you get into the weeds of it, you see how sort of the different pieces connect. I'm building these things left, right, and center. So if you've got something out there that you're curious about, that you want to explore, hit me up. I'd love to work with you on that. That's it.